2026, here we go. Chris Warden here with We're All Gonna Make It, the series I started long ago and never continued. I decided to lean back into this because I had been told by a few people that they were helpful, and I like to help people and businesses. And so I'm gonna lean back into quick recordings of stuff that I use as a fractional CMO on a daily basis that have really helped me out, with the idea that it might just help you back. So we're gonna jump into and talk about Chatgpt. We're all using AI. It's ubiquitous. A lot of us are using it really poorly. Some people are using it exceptionally well. I'm probably in the mid-tier there as a user. And the thing I wanted to talk about today that has been a really nice little unlock for me, it's not a huge leap forward, but it's definitely beneficial in terms of the way that I interact with the tool, is projects. So if you're like me previously, you basically were just starting a new Chatgpt chat for every single inquiry you had. Help me make a new short rib recipe. Help me figure this business problem out, blah, blah, blah. And if you think about chats, in the general sense, they're in this huge container, and the context for all those chats are kind of getting intermingled. And sometimes the best way to see this as an example is like you go to create an image, and then you recreate the image, and you recreate, and then you see something, some sort of artifact in the image from maybe another chatter long ago that just doesn't make any sense for the context of the image you're trying to make. Or you're writing copy, or you're trying to solve a problem. Part of what they've done with creating the project space, or these folders, is essentially allowing you to create a wall around specific content and chat interactions. And so for me as a fractional CMO, all of my clients have a project, and within that project they have very specific chat threads. And so if I am working with McIntyre Pastures, one of my favorite clients, love those guys, and I need to think through a social media strategy around a certain post, I'm going to go back to McIntyre Pastures project, and I'm going to pull up the social media support thread. And the reason for that is because every conversation that I've ever had with Chatgpt about that specific company's social media is contained in that chat. And it allows me to, additionally, when I start that chat, populate it with a ton of information about the company. So if I'm going to start a thread on social about a specific client, the first thing I'm going to do is just cut and copy all the content I can possibly find about that company, all the copy, blah, 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 and start that chat and say, Chatgpt, no need to respond. Here's some information to inform this chat moving forward. Boom, throw that in. Doesn't give me a response because I told it not to. And from then on, that chat, that specific chat, is only about that client's social media. Similarly, for my agency, I have a chat thread going about my finances. I've got a separate chat going about some tech integration problems that I'm having. But if you think about using Chatgpt or any other AI on a really consistent basis, you are creating a very messy and ugly environment in here if you don't start to structure the content and the chats appropriately. And you're not leveraging the beautiful, component of like context management within that conversation. So my recommendation to you is spend a little time going in and cleaning up your Chatgpt and creating projects. Even if you work for a company, you're a full-time W-2 person, build projects within Chatgpt around the primary responsibilities of your job and separate them into specific projects and then into specific chats. This has really helped me unlock some productivity in the new year. I hope it helps you. And of course, I'm always willing to help anybody out with their marketing needs. In this post here, there's a link for a 30-minute completely free call where we can sit, talk about marketing, and try to help solve some of your pressing problems. All right, happy 2026. Excited to be back. See you.